Whether you're a horse racing fan or not, it's hard to deny that there's something special about the Kentucky Derby. It's taking place this weekend, and with what many people call the greatest 2 minutes of sports, you can bet there's something for everyone. You can also bet that all the excitement will certainly work up an appetite, and nothing's more fitting than classics like Kentucky Burgoo, crab cakes, and of course, the famous mint julep. But since no event of this caliber is complete without an outrageous dessert, we want to share with you our Derby chocolate pie. The filling is simply a combo of sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla, flour, and a pinch of salt. Once this comes together, we mix in some chocolate chips and pecans. This goes into a pie shell and gets baked until the center is set, and the whole house smells amazing. When it cools, it's ready to serve after your Kentucky Derby dinner or anytime. Maybe top it off with a dollop of bourbon whipped cream, and it's ready for the winner's circle. So I suggest you go online and get the recipe for our Derby chocolate pie so you can watch the run for the roses in style. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a winning way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Nice hat.